Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and integrate WooCommerce with GoDaddy. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official platform from where we are using WooCommerce, and usually this is going to be WordPress. WordPress is the main platform for creating your e-commerce store, and what you can do to go and set up WooCommerce on WordPress is go into the plugin section right here with the left side screen of your website and then search for WooCommerce. As you can see, by searching for WooCommerce, this is going to enable us to find a plugin that we can go ahead and install to and manage our store on WordPress. So by clicking on it right here, you can get started with installing it. Once you've done that, you can follow the rest of the tutorial right here on the official GoDaddy website. Here is how to install and set up WooCommerce. They have just showed you what I have showed you. To go into plugins and then go ahead and find the WooCommerce plugin and install it. After you have activated the plugin, it's going to go ahead and enable you to fill in all the fields necessary for your online store. After that, you can get started with using GoDaddy. By using GoDaddy hosting, you can go ahead and manage your hosting options right here in the upper right corner of your homepage, from where you can get started managing your plan, your domain, and so on that you're using. And this is from where you can get started integrating it into your GoDaddy account. So like this, you're going to go ahead and be able to set up your WooCommerce store, and just like that, you're going to go ahead and be able to integrate it with GoDaddy. All of the steps are right here, and that is how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching, take care, and bye.